How to fix SSL pending error on Shopify Store 2024. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we're going to be talking about how you can fix SSL pending errors for your Shopify store in the easiest, most simplest way possible. So to start things off, what you're going to want to do is you're going to go ahead into the Shopify store that you have, okay, and you're going to make sure that you're going to log in. Now, the SSL pending error could be for, various domains. It could be for a Namecheap domain, it could be for any other type of domain that you're working with. So in today's video's case, I'm just going to give you a example of a domain. Okay, so first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to find the domains in the settings over here. And once you're over here in the settings, you're going to click on domains. And as we click on domains, you're going to find the domain that you're getting in the error for. And here it's going to show you a few things. So under the primary domain tab, we are going to go ahead and get the option for obviously it's going to show your domain name. Then it's going to show you your status where it's obviously going to say connected. And then right beside it, it's going to say SSL pending. So how do you fix that at the end of the day? So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your provider, the people that are actually providing your domain. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go over to GoDaddy.com. And once you're over to GoDaddy.com, you're going to go to your main dashboard section where you have all these domains. So let's say I'm going to go into my GoDaddy products. And once you are in your GoDaddy products, you are actually going to go over to the domain that you're working with. And once you go into your domains, you're going to move over to advanced DNS. And in advanced DNS, you're going to go into host records. Okay. So once you find your domain or the product that you want to essentially work with, as I said, advanced DNS and then into your main products. So mainly the whole issue with the SSL records comes along because your actual IP or, the domain list IP, it's not verified or configured properly. So to actually, as I said, go ahead and do that. You're going to go into your domains. And once you go into your actual domains, you're going to go to the advanced DNS settings of your domains. And in the advanced DNS settings, you can go into your host records. Okay. And your host records will have your URL redirect records. So URL redirect records are something that you don't want to keep. And the URL redirect records can be found, and as I stated, I'm just going to go here, URL redirect records for domain, and you can even write GoDaddy. And you can find your redirect records right over here. As I stated, here are your domains, go into your DNS. You go into your DNS, you're going to get your redirection records. And once you get those records, simply delete the redirect records only. Okay, don't delete any of the other stuff because that's important to us. Just delete the redirect records. And once you do that, the whole SSL connection error or the whole SSL connection issue should be resolved and fixed for you. Now, in the case that still doesn't work, what you can do is you can disconnect and reconnect your domain from Shopify because it could be an innate Shopify issue. And obviously, if that also doesn't work, you can go ahead and contact the people at Shopify themselves, contact the sales, and let them know that you're having an issue. But, how do you actually get a domain onto Shopify? Like, let's say the issue prolongs so much that you eventually need to get a new domain. So what you can do is you can simply go over to your basic domain providers. There's a lot like GoDaddy, Namecheap, Hostinger, Bluehost, all these great hosting platforms. So just go ahead and choose whatever you want. And once you've chosen a suitable and set hosting platform, we're going to want to do from there is you're simply going to go over to this. Wait, let me just go back to my GoDaddy account. Yeah, so once you're into a basic suitable provider, in the suitable provider, what you're going to do is you can go ahead and search any types of domains. And the domains are pretty easy, long to find. You can use any type of domain. You also can get different options from these domain providers like .co, SSL security, which we're obviously talking about. You get professional emails, Microsoft 365 account. You get a free website builder, an AI website, WordPress, web hosting, and VPS. So pretty simple stuff to get your head around. So let's say I want a domain called John's Coffee Shop. Okay, I'm going to do that. I'm going to click on enter. And if there's no domain like that, it's going to give me options for the domain. So you can get johnscoffeeshop.com. You get johnscoffeeshop dot online dot net dot info dot store, whatever you want. You get a whole bundle. And there's a whole lot more. And the fun part about all of this is that you can also get a .ai. The .ai website obviously is one of the most expensive domains that you can find online, which is why not a lot of people are fond of using it. But, you still can use it when it comes to accessing it with your GoDaddy. So, yeah, pretty general and basic idea of how we're going to work with all of this. Now, moving on, once you've gotten your domain, entered your email, and signed up with it all, what you're going to do from there is you're going to make sure that you've gotten the domain details, you've gotten all the necessary verification, because obviously to verify it and cross check it with your actual Shopify, you obviously will need to make sure that everything is configured. Now, once all of that is done, you're simply going to go over to the settings tab over here. And once you come over to the settings tab, from here, what we are going to want to do is you're going to come over to domains. Domains can be found down here. Okay. And once you get your domains to obviously add your custom domain that you just created, simply go ahead and click on connect existing domain, write the name of your domain. And once you write the name of your domain, you're pretty much set and good to go. So yeah, that's the general idea of this and how we're going to work with this pretty incredible, pretty fun to use software. And obviously, also how you can fix the SSL not completed error. So yeah, that's the pretty easy issue resolving ways. The pending error, you can get it resolved really simply. Just delete the reload request URLs and you should be good to go. So, I hope this tutorial was extremely helpful to you. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can let me know down in the comments. And yeah, I guess I'll see you next time. Before signing off, please like and subscribe to the channel and leave down a nice comment if you watch the video. And please don't forget to share this video with any of your friends in need or your family. And I hope you all have a great day. So until next time, I'll see you later and goodbye.